Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Devina Septiani Armandita. You can call me Dita. I'm from Bali, and now I want to sharing with all of you about Corona and impact of Corona. Professionally, this video for my final exam in first semester Arabic education of Kiai Haji Abdul Wahab Hasbullah University. And the term I'm talking about is Corona and impact of Corona. First, surely you already know about Corona and all about things about it. I will not explain very detailed about Corona because I'm afraid you already bored and cannot enjoy to my video. But yeah, I know you have already heard or read very information about Corona in YouTube or Google, maybe? I don't know, but information of Corona is very trending and famous in, Instagram, Google, or YouTube, and X. Okay, but I will explain in general about Corona for all of you. Jakarta, CNN Indonesia. Research the SMRU Research Institute states that there were 6 vulnerable business sectors to lay out and terminate works, or in Indonesia is PHK. Okay, on workers during to the Corona or COVID-19 virus pandemic period. The 6 sectors, namely accommodation, providers, and food and beverage, trade, transportation, and warehousing, construction, and processing industry, and other service. A number of workers were forced to be laid off and experienced termination of employment due to disruption of the company's operational activities affected by this crisis. Research said as quote on Wednesday 24/6. According to the results of the research, the benchmarks of work from 6 sectors reflected in the low growth rate of each sector in the first quarter of 2020. Research data recorded the construction sectors minus 6.92%, transportation and warehousing minus 6.38%, and the accommodation provider food and drinks minus furthermore. The growth of the trade sectors minus 1.38%, other service minus 1.39%, and the processing industry minus 1.17%. In fact, labor absorption from each sector is not small. Trade, for example, the protection of workers absorbs reaches 19% of the total workers in Indonesia. This sector is the second largest absorbing business sectors in the country of agriculture, forestry, and fisheries. Apart from the sector's growth side, the potential loss of work is also reflected in the sex. Research suggests that female workers tend to lose work more easily than men, while the proportion of labor in the processing industry business sector reaches 14.8 to 8%, or the third largest in Indonesia. Then, the proportion of accommodation, food, and beverage service sector was 6.69%, construction of 6.65%, transportation and warehousing 4.36%, and other service 4.9%. Incidentally, the business of accommodation, food, and drink providers is dominated by female workers, so that the chance of women laid off or laid off are quite large. Explained research vulnerable to falling poor further. Research also sees if the workers have to lose their jobs, then will make them have a higher vulnerability of falling poor than workers in other sectors. Research colors workers in the business sector of accommodation providers and food and beverage, trade, transportation, and warehousing, the processing industry, and other services as generally. Because half of the workers from these sectors are dominated by those who have just worked. So, they tend to have a limited number of savings. If the crisis prolonged, there is a possibility of their savings run out. This will certainly increase the vulnerability of the labor from the middle group. Explained research, in addition, workers from medium groups are usually not recipients of social assistance from the government, so they have no bearings when depressed. Therefore, vulnerability to workers from the middle group and the business sectors is quite large. Then workers in the sectors generally thrive informally. Informal workers actually have advantage of adapting to change its condition. Unfortunately, informal workers are generally limited to access to social protection programs. For example, tax levy incentives to employers are generally given to formal workers. Finally, the economy of workers in six sectors vulnerable falls because they are dominated by those who have low education, namely between elementary schools, or in Indonesia is SD, to high school, or Indonesia in SMA. Even though the low level of education will make people difficult to research in the next time, because usually work competence increase from time to time. This makes their chance of getting new jobs inhibited. So, that's all can I say. I'm sorry if it's still far from perfect, and I want to sing a song is trending lately, and the song is I Like You So Much, you know it. Yeah, happy watching.
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples of the corner of the smile that you wear. I like you more than what I know, but don't be scared, 'cause I'm falling deeper, baby, be prepared. I like your shirt, I like your finger, love the way that you smell. To be your favorite jacket, just so I could always be there. I love you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and see. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, and now I can't wait you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know how. Love you till the last of snow December's. Love you till a rainy day becomes clear. Never knew a love like this. Now I can't let go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. I like the way you try so hard and you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit notes in every song, you're the shining. I love the little things like when you're anywhere. I get you still a glance and smile so perfectly. Oh, sometimes when life brings me down, you're the cure, my love. In the very day, you take all the worries away. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere and any moment. Always and forever, and now I can't wait you, 'cause baby,
Okay guys, thank you for watching to my video. I hope you enjoy to my video and see you again. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.